Hi, gang. Here we are in week 7, and I might look exhausted and exasperated because I think I got Respondus working. I did every check I could check to make sure it was working and that your test is ready. So, week 7, we have exam number 2, and we are doing digestion. Lab in week 2 is kind of light, so that makes up for some of the time that you'll use for taking the test. There are no virtual labs. There just weren't any good ones for digestion. So it's just a couple activities, and one will prepare you for lecture. So it's really overlap. But most of all, I want to talk. So the digestion part should be fine. There shouldn't be any big problems there. But the and just the lab quiz is 15 points rather than having virtual labs. And so there's the week 7 lab quiz, and it is worth 15 points, and it comes right off the handout. So make sure you do the handout, and you'll be fine. But what I'd like you to do, so we're going to do Respondus, which uses a lockdown browser and a webcam. So what you want to do is this just explains it. Watch this video, and it just explains like what a lockdown browser is. And then what I did is I put a practice for Respondus here, and all it is one question that says, "Did you?" Can you answer this question or whatever it is? Yes. Or I don't know. It's just super easy, just one question. But what's going to happen is you're going to click on this, and it's going to tell you to download and install the latest version of the lockdown browser. It literally took 1 minute for the whole thing to work, and for me to click on it, for it to download and all that on my computer. I did it right before. It's super easy. I highly recommend trying it. And then what it does is it's going to talk you through, take a picture of yourself, get your ID, and hold it up. Where did I have my little? I had some card that I was using, and so you need your student ID, so I can see your face, and then I can see that your ID looks like your face, and it's not going to be bugging you. There's not somebody watching you. I highly recommend trying Respondus for exam number 2. If you are just completely against it, contact me by email, and you can come in and take the test. I think if I can get that to happen in my office. I just got to check on something on Monday. But you can come to my office, bring your computer, and take it then. It's not big, but really try doing the Respondus. It's super easy. I literally took the whole test myself just to see what it's like as a student, and it's not invasive. It's not hard. Just try it. So this is just a little practice to make sure you can get the Respondus to work. And once you're confident with that, then you go take the test. Remember, the test is on chapters 4, 5, and 6. So the material we do this week on digestion is not on the test. It's on week 7 test. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, or if there's anything I can do to help you out. I think that's about it. Have a great week. Remember, this is week 7. The next week we don't have class. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to post week 8 for the break week. So if you want to get ahead, it's a great time to get ahead. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck this week, everybody.